Call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise you, swear. Every bit.
Hi, babe.
Yo,
What you say?
Shouldn't you be like?
That's what I gotta drink. Oh gosh.
What?
It stinks. I take that plastic off.
Oh, smell. Oh shit. Smell the
Take
top.
the plastic off.
Smell like old ass.
Okay, cool. That's a tablespoon.
It's your first time with me, so just sit back and breathe. You don't need
Call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise you, swear. Every bit. Yo, Percocet.
Alright, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get to record, y'all, because I literally forgot my charger to my camera. So I'm gonna be keeping it really simple, really short. But I just got to Tampa. It is so pretty. First to arrive, waiting on all my friends. They're not gonna be in until maybe tonight, maybe in a couple of hours, but so far so good. Y'all, I've missed my flight, but I will tell you more about that later. Just got reunited with my bag and waiting on the Uber now. I want to say thank you all, of course, for your support. Be sure that you share this video and be sure that you subscribe. And that's it, dolls. I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.